Hey kids, last time in the shop we did this. I only got a set of calipers because I should. What I'm doing is while you're having fun, I ordered some parts, some bearings and stuff. So you know what? While you're here, I'll show you real quick. Some bearings. Speedway. You know it means business when Speedway shows up. Grease seals, you know, racers. That's right, we were going to do some wheel bearings. Well, finally got the right stuff, and then what happened? Somebody got rammy. Bend it. So I had to wait for more seals. Here they are. Now, we're going to pack this wheel bearing, we're going to get it on Clyde. We're going to do it right now because look, it's hot rod season's upon us and we need to get it done. So let me get ready. Okay, you guys set? Good. First things first. The race looks good in there. Seated good, we're good. Bearings look good, they're just not greasy. How can they not be greasy? Well, I didn't pack these. Someone else did. So, hey, how do you guys like to pack bearings? Do you know, like that? Or do you use the bearing packer? Oh, we do. Literally just goop it in there. And then we turn it once it starts to come out the top. So, how's everybody's weekend? Yep, yeah, great. Okay, well, here's the deal. It's great. Mine, it's a weekend. Yeah, you can imagine I'm packing bearings. How great can it be, right? All right, you can see it's starting to come out the top, right there, minus this blob. Don't worry about the blob, it's fine. We'll just stick it right back under there. And then we're just gonna go around this bearing. I'll bring it back in a minute. Now, whatever you do, don't just push grease around the outside, because look, that doesn't do anything, does it? No, it doesn't. Well, it does. It puts grease on the outside, but do we need grease on the inside? Yeah, more so. So, I'm just gonna keep talking to you. All we're doing is we're just pushing the grease into the bearing. That's all we're doing. Now, I was going to shut the camera off again, but you know what? I can't because I got grease. Don't ask me where my gloves are because I'm out. And we just keep turning the bearing. Well, things happen. Anybody ever notice that grease stinks real bad? Did you notice that? Okay. Let's wipe the stuff off. Best damn hand and tool wipes in the history of hand and tool wipes. That's great thing, girl. Oh, America's best damn soap. Yeah. Now, you might say, how did you jack up your grease seal? Look, I don't want to talk about it. So, instead of ordering one, I ordered four. This is 912S18562 seal 1.875 inch by 2.562 by 0.313. Boom, grease seal. The other thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give her a little smooch right here, just to help it get around. Like Jan and Dean. Wait, did Jan and Dean get around or was it the Beach Boys? Put it down in the comments. Or just to lube it up just a tickle, to quote Derek. And we'll put it there. Now the other thing we're going to do is wipe our hands off again. Don't steal my stuff. You guys need to look? Okay. We got this. We got it from Harbor Freight. It's the, you know, we're going to put it right there. We're going to grab a hold of it so we don't root things. And then, hi-ya! Boom! Check it out. Yeah, I know. I know. It's greasy. Rinse and repeat. I took a look. I did buy new bearings, but I took a look at these. They're doing just fine. They're bearinging. Is that a thing? I don't know. But rinse and repeat, kids. Maybe that should be the name of our channel. Rinse and repeat. What are we doing? We're just pushing grease. That's what we're doing. I can't move the camera because I'm covered in grease. I was listening to a song by Reverend Peyton's big damn band called Pot Roastin' Kisses. If you don't know who they are, I'm going to put a link there to the song maybe. Or maybe I'll put it to our playlist, HPSS Music Favorites. Boom! Right there. It's on the favorites. How do I know? I'm the one who made the list. So, what do you guys like to do for fun? Huh? Whose dad taught them how to do this, or who figured it out on their own, you know? Ooh, see, we're getting all the old grease out. Look at that, you know? Why? Well, look, because it's gross. This stuff does stink. See? You smell it? Smell it! Anyway. Look. Let me just around a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little. Look. Over there. Next up, my car. Things we're going to need for the car. Dust cap, castle nut, washer, spacer, right? Cotter pin. Now, I don't know if you saw, but those cotter pins was not great. So, we're going to grab a cotter pin. We'll grab two. I got two different sizes. Actually, I got 6 different sizes. Harbor Freight. Am I ever going to use this many? No! I got them, man. What's this? It's broken. Oh, that's not important. Meet me over there. And see? Good. If not, well, that's not my problem, I guess. Is it? Just stick it on there, like that. Push them in there. Get everything we need out of this. It's glued in there, apparently. Spacer. Shabam, like that, right? This, yep, okay. Castle nut. What did I forget? That's right. A socket or something. All right, hold on. All right, got what I need. Need what I got. Stick this guy right on here. We'll just stick this guy right on here, like that, because that's what it's got to do. What we're going to do is we're going to set it. Bring it back in a minute. All right, got it on. Now we just push this through. Now what we're going to do after this is, so what I had to do, just so you know, was the piston was pushed out just a little bit. So what I did was I just loosened up the bleeder, pushed it in. You can see there's, yep. And now we're going to get our ratchet then we're just gonna tighten these guys up, you know? Then we're gonna put a tire on here. And then, a lot of in there. No, and then. And then we are going to adjust the wheel bearing. So let's take 5. If you guys get some coffee or Snickers, and we'll be back. All right, it's on now. A little bit. That's about where we want it. And now, cotter pin. Let's see if the shorter one works, because that one's a little bit better. I can make it work. Sounds like the foreman's home. She was out having lunch with her sister. How do I know? Because I live here. All right. And that's how you do it, kids. You also like it that. Okay, we got that side done. We gotta do this one. But through the magic of TV, it's already done. See? Look. TV magic, man. It's fantastic. All right. I'm gonna get cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll bring you back around and tell you what we learned. All right, what did we learn? We learned that Clyde runs. The wheel bearings clearly are fine. Or they're not, I don't know. Brakes are a little spongy. I might have to bleed them. Anyway, the other thing is that I thought I'd test this out because we know Clyde's leaking out of the radiator and or leaking out of the coolant area. I think I know where it is. It's actually the weep hole on the water pump. It's just right here. It's in there. You know, I know because I looked. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this wheel bearing and Clyde screwing around video. The foreman came out here and I was like, hey, I'm about to go do something dumb. She didn't even question it. Also, hey, if you like the shirts, these are brand new in the store. Link down there. All right, kids. Hope you enjoyed it. I got some cleanup to do and got to double check that leak. So, oh, by the way, check out Peyton's oil change videos right up here. Yeah. I gotta check now. I probably broke something. So keep on wrenching, kids.